Gruichi.
Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Gruichi Universal Phone/Tablet Stand. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Now, I already cracked all the seals and stuff off camera, so we're going to have minimal struggles with this one. But I think I'm getting addicted to these stands, y'all. So we picked up another universal stand here. And you know what? We're just going to spoil this one. This stand was $5. So the other day, it might have been last week or the other day, I picked up another stand, the Tech Boss stand, and that one was $7. Well, this one right here is $5. So we're going to see how this one works. But anyways, let's keep it moving. So let's talk about the package a little bit. Then we're going to crack the package. I'm going to give you guys my first impressions and so on and so forth. Now, talking about the packaging, I have to say this really nice packaging. You got the device up front and center here. And you see it just says foldable stand across the top. And then across the bottom, it tells you what it can be used for. So this can be used for iPhones, iPads, and all other mobile devices. And then on the back, it shows you just a few positions here. So you can see you can stand it up portrait style, or you can put it down landscape style, and you can adjust the prongs in the back to get that viewing angle that you would like. Again, feel free to pause and read some of this for yourself. And you can see right down here, it's compatible with devices up to 10 inches. So your iPad Pro, the 12-inch, not going to work on this guy. Any 12-inch tablets you guys may be rocking, not going to work on this guy. 10 inches is the maximum that this stand is compatible with. So 10 inches and down, max 10 inches. So, yeah. That pretty much does it for the packaging. So now let me go ahead and get this out the packaging. And that's the stand itself. Throw this package off to the side here. Alright. Now let's start the first impressions. So first impressions wise, I'm liking the material. Now you can tell this is all plastic material here. And it folds out like that. So this is the holder portion. And that's the stand portion. So it's going to look something like that. And let me see. I think this can also fold down. I'd have to play with it a little bit more. But I'm going to give you guys all the functionality of it in the full review. So it looks like this is the basic mode here. And now I got a few devices. Matter of fact, let's just prop it out. Got a few devices here to test for you guys. Now I apologize because I did not charge my phones. So this is the S5. And you can see it drops right in. That's our landscape for you guys. So if you want to pick this guy up and have it in your pocket and you want to whip it out, hands get tired, you want to watch a movie, YouTube video, you could do that. Landscape, and then here's portrait mode. I think I got to back the camera up a little bit and angle it up. I always do that. I'm trying to get the close-ups, but then I end up getting too close to where you guys can't see it in portrait mode. You can see it in landscape mode, no problem, but portrait mode is always an issue. So let me angle that up. So here you can see this is what your device would look like in portrait mode. And in particular, this is the Samsung Galaxy S5. And again, this is what it would look like in landscape mode. Just so you guys can see that. And now let's bang it up a notch. This is my Note 3. Again, portrait mode here. Now this one's kind of not sitting in there right. So I may have to readjust that. Now I might have to look back at the directions on it and readjust. See how that all works. But we're having some issues with portrait mode on that one. And then you can see it does work, however, in landscape mode. So that's that. And let's bump it up another notch here. See how it functions in cases. So here's my Moto X Pure Edition. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to be too case friendly there. And then lastly, where's my essential phone? Let's try the essential phone. Also in the case. This case is a little bit more thinner profile. Let's see how that works. Okay, so it works. I'm guessing if you have a thin profile case, you shouldn't have any issues, or a bare minimum case, you shouldn't have any issues. But it looks like if you're going to start getting beefier, yep, because when I put it on the beefier edge, it doesn't hold up. So if you're going to use beefier cases with this stand, it looks like you may have an issue. But if you use your devices without a case, it looks like it's going to be pretty solid. Anyways, that pretty much does it for my unboxings and first impressions of the, how do you say that again? Where's my Google Translate? I always forget how to say this thing. Alright. People need to start including pronunciation guides in their products. Gruichi. Alright, so that has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Gruichi Universal Stand. Now this review should probably take me no more than a week to do, so you guys and gals be on the lookout for that. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. As always, if this unboxing and first impressions video piqued you guys' interest and you want to see where you can pick this universal stand up for yourself, all links will be down below in the video description as to where you can pick this guy up at some really great prices. And again, I got mine for $5 from Amazon. $5? Why not? But if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description, it's going to be like a one-stop shop for you guys. So you click the video description and you should be good to go. And as always, I hope everyone out there has a great day. And I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Peace. All of y'all, so I had to add a little bit to the end of the video. Always read your instructions. After I wrapped up the video, I'm reading through, and the stand actually opens up like this. So let me just show you real quick. It's gonna come down like so. And if you look at the instructions and read the panels, this part says open. So you open it like that, and then you flip it down into where you want it to be, and it locks in place. So if I want it to be here, that's that. And if I wanted to go further down so I get a much more comfortable angle, that's there. And then it locks out at, this is as low angle as you can go there. So nice leaned approach. And yeah, sorry guys. Like I said, it's a work in progress. I'm not perfect. You know, sometimes I just try and wing it. But I felt like I was doing something wrong, and after tinkering around with it, after I ended the video, I did in fact realize that yes, I was doing something wrong. So I had to go back, and I'm probably gonna just connect this to the end of the first video. So I guess we gotta throw a little bit of editing in this time. But yeah. So pretty much what you do is you open it like I showed you earlier, and you just find the position that's best for you. And these are labeled right there. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up, but it's labeled in degrees here. So the lowest it goes is 60 degrees, and the highest you got here is 75 degrees. All right. All right, guys, my bad. You guys know I'm always one to admit when I mess up or make a mistake, and your boy messed up today, and I made a mistake. So I had to come back after doing a little bit of tinkering, a little bit of playing around, and that's it. So again, yeah, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.